I gotta get my mag light. Here I go. I'm gonna show you all the snow that we got. First, I'm gonna open the garage. I'm gonna go out. Look at this. I was just gonna say cloud, they got more, but still, they got a lot of snow. I'm gonna use the mag light to come looking back. Look at all of the snow. I need a tracker here. But you can see that it's all on the sidewalk. And you can see down here, go over there. There's how thick the snow was. If you don't, right there, that inch right there. I'll put a little note up showing how heavy it is. But right there, that's how heavy the snow was. As you can see, it's accumulated on the car. It's a nice night out. See? Walking in the snow. Doggy. Look at this. See the shininess? That's ice. My bus stop is right over there. Look in the light. Look over there. That's it.